Kira, please make sure she doesn't fall over. Her rain boots are a little big for her. Here, come on over here. Go back this way because you can't go near the road.
Hannah, can you touch me?
Yeah, come over here. We're not going to go over there. We're going to stay right over here. Okay. Glad you were listening. That's not Hannah. You got to stay over on our spot here. Here, where's Kira and Taylor going? Come on. Here, walk with Mommy. You got to walk over here, babe. Hey, look at Mommy. Look.